Have you got a pencil? Pencil. Have you got a pencil? Okay. Again, be careful not to slide. It's not pencil, pencil, pencil. It's like a step. Have you got a pencil? Not a slide, but a step. Pencil, pencil. Now, maybe I'm asking here, I ask Kun Puk, right, okay. I ask Kun Puk, have you got a pencil? Oh, I ask Kun Puk and she says no. Oh, I need a pencil. Aha, I will ask a new person. Now, the important word is not pencil. She knows I want pencil. The important word is you, not Kun Puk, but you. Have you got a pencil?
I have one.
Ah, right. So, have you got a pencil? There the key word is pencil. The answer is no. So now I need to ask again. The key word changes. So we've got, have you got a pencil? There, pencil is the key word. The answer is no. I ask a new person. Now the key word is not pencil, but have you got a pencil? And the voice falls on the key word. Have you got a pencil? No. Have you got a pencil? No. Have you got a pencil? Have you got a pencil? Each time it's a new person, and you is the key word. They all know that I want a pencil. That's not the key word anymore. So the voice goes down on the important word for communication. Maybe we know somebody who has been to China and we've read in the paper about pollution. We want to ask, is there a lot of pollution? Look at this word, pollution. Right, now, pollution, 3 syllables. Pollution, is it bum 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 or bum 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 or bum bum bum? Bum bum bum, bum bum bum. This is the key word. Pollution is the key word. This is the strong sound, the U. That is where the voice will fall. Is there a lot of pollution? Pollution, pollution. Is there a lot of pollution? Yes, no question. So, pollution is the key word, and we know it is bom bom bom. So that is where the voice will fall, on the middle part of pollution. Okay, so let's try that then together. Is there a lot of pollution? Is there a lot of pollution? This word, not there, not there, there. Is there a lot of pollution? That's better. Again, is there a lot of pollution? Lot of, not lot of, lot of, lot of. Is there a lot of pollution? Still saying of. And when you say of, when you make that a strong sound, it breaks the rhythm. Bum, 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 bum. Is there a lot of pollution? 10 times better. Much, much better. So, once more. Is there a lot of pollution? Good. And the key word, the important word in our question is pollution. But maybe we know there is pollution. We want to know how much. A little bit, medium, a lot. So now the key word is lot. Is there a lot of pollution? Is there a lot of pollution? Now I'm saying, I know there is pollution, I want to know how much. Is there a lot of pollution? No, not much. Is there a lot of pollution? Oh yes, it's very bad. Okay, so everybody again. Is there a lot of pollution? Is there a lot of pollution? And the hidden meaning there, the meaning that we don't say, that everybody will understand, we are asking how much pollution is there? A little bit, medium, a lot? Is there a lot of pollution? Oh no, only a little bit. Is there a lot of pollution? Oh yes, very bad. So we're asking about how much. Right, that was very good. I waited because there were about 6 people who were still practicing that intonation. And while you were practicing, I can see you are listening to yourself. You're testing yourself. Have I got that right? That is very good learning. It's very strong learning. And if you see the children in your class, you tell them a phrase and you see some of them still practice, wait, give them time to practice, because it's very valuable, very good learning. We're going to look now at WH questions again. The important word in WH questions. I said that WH questions must fall. The intonation must go down. And where is the key word? My friends have gone to Rayong. Oh really? When did they go to Rayong? When did they go to Rayong? The important word is Rayong. So, when did they go to Rayong? When did they go to Rayong? And the voice must fall all the way. Now, maybe I know that they are in Rayong, but I want to know the day of travel. Now the key word is not Rayong, the key word is go. When did they go to Rayong? I know they are there now, but when did they go to Rayong? Was it Thursday? I'm asking about the time of travel. When did they go to Rayong? Everybody, when did they go to Rayong? Okay. The voice falls on go because I want to know the day of travel. Because it's WH question and the voice goes down, when we get to the bottom, it's flat. It stays low. When did they go to Rayong? When did they go to Rayong? And then somebody tells me of another group of friends in Rayong. Really? Now the important word is the new group. When did they go to Rayong? I know that these people have gone, but when did they go to Rayong? Now they is the key word. That's the important part of the question. But after that, everything is flat. When did they go to Rayong? So let's try those 3 questions again, and then there's a little bit more group practice for you. So first, the simple question, when did they go to Rayong? When did they go to Rayong? Right, now we want to know the day of travel. When did they go to Rayong? When did they go to Rayong? Now we know about a new group. When did they go to Rayong? When did they go to Rayong? Okay, so the same words, when did they go to Rayong? Same words, but 3 different questions, because we change the intonation. When we change the intonation, we change the important word in the question. The hidden meaning of English again. Now on page 10, you have 6 questions, 3 yes-no questions, and 3 WH questions. So we're going to practice these all together. Then you're going to practice in small groups, listen to each other and listen to yourself. Then I will just walk around the class and I will say, number 3, number 1, number 5, number 6, and you must read that question. Okay? It's fun. It's fun. Right, so the yes-no questions. Listen and repeat. Number 1. Have you ever been to Hua Hin? It's a yes-no question. Have you ever been to Hua Hin? Right. Now, there we've got and I've chosen Hua Hin because the Thai tones fit with but if you get a town where the tone is not Hua Hin, if you take Gung Thep, right, Gung Thep, you cannot make it Gung Thep. You can't. You must keep the Thai tone, right? With names and towns in Thai, you must not change those tones. It's very difficult for me because I automatically put the intonation on it. But, so, have you ever been to Gung Thep? Right, that would be acceptable because the Thai name is Gung Thep, not Gung Thep. Right, but here I chose Hua Hin because it fits with that intonation. So, have you ever been to Hua Hin? Did you like the food? Oh, be careful, don't go up too much. Did you like the food? No. Just a little bit. Did you like the food? Okay. Is there a lot of pollution? Is there a lot of pollution? Right, let's do those again. Number 1. Have you ever been to Hua Hin? Did you like the food? Is there a lot of pollution? Right, and now the 3 WH questions. Number 4. Where did you go for Songkran? How did you travel? Who did you go with? Right, now these are WH questions and they must fall. If you make a WH question go up, you're asking somebody to repeat the information. For example, if I have, let's say I have a list of names here, and this is the register for my class, okay? I could ask, what's your name? And you tell me?
My name is Puk.
What's your name?
Puk.
Right, now I ask, what's your name? WH question. What's your name? Falls. Can't find it. I want her to repeat the information. So now, what's your name? So when a WH question goes up, you're asking somebody to repeat. Thank you very much. Or a WH question going up says, I don't trust you. I don't believe you. So, where did you go yesterday? You went to Pratunam. Who did you go with? I don't believe you. Who did you go with? What time did you leave? Now, with these WH questions going up, we're saying, I don't trust you. I don't believe you. So we must be very careful with WH questions. WH questions should fall. If it goes up, you're saying to somebody, repeat the answer, please, or you are saying, I don't trust you. I don't believe you. So, be very, very careful there. Let's do them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then you're going to practice in your groups. Then it's test time. Number 1. Have you ever been to Hua Hin? 2. Did you like the food? 3. Is there a lot of pollution? 4. Where did you go for Songkran? Don't go up. Where did you go for Songkran? 5. How did you travel? 6. Who did you go with? Good. Now, I want you to practice in pairs or threes. You can ask each other to do question 2, 6, 1, 3, etc. Or you can just read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Listen to yourself. Listen to each other. If you hear one of your friends say it not right, or you think it's not right, ask them to say it again. Talk about it, help each other. If you have a big problem, then you ask me. Okay? But just practice those in groups, then I will ask you at random, anybody to read one of the questions. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Right. Now I'm going to ask you at random to read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. I haven't planned anything. I don't know who I'm going to ask. I don't know what number. So it's complete random, not planned. 5. Good, right. 2.
Did you like the food?
Good, okay. Number 2.
Did you like the food?
Yes. Did you like the food? Did you like the food? That's very interesting. The hidden meaning. Okay. Now, if you are asking about the food, did you like the food? Okay. What we had here was, did you like the food? Now, the hidden meaning there is, I've said one thing I didn't like. Did you like the hotel? No. Did you like the food? Oh yeah, the food was okay. But that's the second question. Did you like the food? The first question, did you like the food? Right? Now, it's very, very complicated and very, very difficult. But there is so much hidden meaning in English. If you can start to understand where that hidden meaning is, and if you are teaching English and you can help your students and your pupils, even at Pratom, to understand that hidden meaning, that will be a big, big help in their listening. Big, big help.